guys heard of the phrase main character energy? I'm sure a lot of us have because we see it almost everywhere in reels, in captions, like someone would be walking down the street dramatically with music playing in the background, claiming that they are the main characters. But here's the truth real life doesn't come with background music, it comes with choices. And most of the time, the people trying the hardest to look like the main characters aren't inspiring us, they're just performing. So let's rewrite this idea because I certainly believe that main character energy is about having self respect and not being self centered. So let's first talk about the misconception. Think about what people really mean when they say, I'm in my main character era. They usually mean, I look amazing, I'm admired, and my life feels aesthetic. But if your main character status depends on likes, applause, and other people's attention, then here's the twist. You are not the main character, you're just insecure. Because self centeredness screams for attention while self respect doesn't need to. Moving on, another phrase I hear very often, which I'm sure a lot of us have used it, is I'm in my prime era or this is my prime era. It sounds really glamorous, right? But here's the scary part. If this is your prime era, then what happens after it ends? Are you suddenly less worthy, less capable, or less important? Well, no. Here's what I have learned. Your prime era isn't when you look your best, it's when you respect yourself the most. Because there isn't just one highlight reel in your life. Every chapter you live is a part of your masterpiece. And your prime era is more about the admiration rather than the alignment. So, let's rephrase all this. Your prime era or your main character era isn't about the spotlight or the aesthetics. It's about having the courage to say, I will not shrink myself to be liked. I will not say yes when I mean no. And I will not measure my worth by someone else's applause. Because you are supposed to respect yourself so deeply that others learn how to treat you by just watching. Think about the characters we admire Harry Potter, Katniss Everdeen, and even our Bollywood heroes. What makes them the main character isn't the camera angles, it's their values and their choices. And you know what else I've realized? Sometimes people will walk into your life, stay for a while, and then disappear. No explanations, no goodbyes, but just silence. So at first, it feels like you lost something. But then it hits you that you didn't lose yourself. And that's the point. Main character energy isn't about begging for closure or waiting for someone to validate your worth. It's about realizing that even if someone chooses to ghost you, you're still there, still standing, and still shining. In fact, the strongest kind of self respect is knowing that you don't need someone else to complete your story. You are not an incomplete sentence waiting for someone else's punctuation. You are the whole story. And you know, sometimes the people who ghost you are the same people who weren't meant to grow with you. Isn't it funny? The same silence they left behind becomes the stage where your voice gets louder. They thought that they exited the story, but all they did was demote themselves to a forgotten side character. Anyways, I'll share a personal story now. So, for a long time, I misunderstood things. I thought that being the main character meant being loud, unforgettable, and everywhere. So I said yes to everything, tried to please everyone, and performed non stop. But instead of feeling powerful, I felt empty. I tried so hard to be unforgettable that I forgot myself. So one day I decided to finally say no. But it was the loudest yes I ever said to myself. Nobody clapped, nobody noticed, but in that moment, I felt something new. I started to respect myself. And that was the first time I truly felt like the main character. That moment taught me something really big. That real main character energy is quiet. It's not about being admired, it's about being aligned. And it's not about having just one prime era, it's about knowing that every era is a prime era because you are in it. And no, you don't need to be perfect to deserve that respect. You need to respect yourself enough to be ordinary because ordinary does not mean unworthy. So, your real energy or your inner energy shows up when you walk away from a toxic friendship, choose rest over burnout, and stand up for yourself even when your voice shakes. That's not arrogance, that's courage. And that's not self centeredness, that's self respect. So now you might be wondering that how can we carry this energy in our lives? So I'll tell you three ways. First is set boundaries. Boundaries aren't walls, they are doors that you decide who gets to walk through. Second is stop performing. You are not in an audition, you are the whole story. Third is honor your chapters. Every chapter you live, even the messy one, is worth reading. So the next time someone says, I'm in my prime era, just smile and remember that every era is your prime era when you choose self respect. And the next time someone says, be the main character, don't picture flashing lights or slow motion scenes. Picture yourself standing in front of a mirror saying, I see you, I value you, and I respect you. Because that's what main character energy really is. Not ego, not arrogance, not performance, but self respect. And when you live with that kind of energy, you don't just change your story, you change everyone else's too. Thank you very much.